Welcome once again to Microbrands Unscripted, and again we have Kunupu Coffee Roasters. Okay, that's getting stale. Kunupu Coffee Roasters, the best coffee in the universe. Handcrafted, I might add, because it really is handcrafted. Roasted weekly, and this week they have these to offer us. The Costa Rica Tarazu, another Costa Rica Cordillera, and that seems to be limited edition. So even coffee roasters are going the limited route now. Ethiopia, Yirga, okay, whatever. That's what's available right now. So go on to Kunupu Coffee Roasters website and then have your coffee ordered, but then figure out how you're going to deliver that from Aruba to the United States or Malaysia or everywhere else. Okay, now here's another microbrand. Yeah, I think there's still a microbrand as far as I know. And I'm gonna open this. There we go. And this one, I think it's been 2 years since I've had a watch from them, so it's been a while. But they recently reached out and said, hey, we really appreciate what you did for us, and we want to send you a watch. So that's the thing. I don't even know if I'm going to review this watch because they didn't really ask to review the watch. So I don't know. But I still want to unbox it. There we go. I totally wrecked the box. But that's just the FedEx box. But look at that. Oh, wow. That's cool. To Watch Co. And this is their box. Look at that. I don't recall having such a box from them. Or maybe they retooled their boxes. To get that. Well, whatever. I'm such a dad. Anyway. There we go. Lovely texture. Listen to that. Okay. Just get all of these out of the way. Also new metal cards. They've improved a lot since we last saw them. Again, that's I think 2 years. Where's their watch, mommy? You don't remember? No. It's somewhere. Anyway, let's see. What do they? Look at this. But that's very light. I don't know what this is. What is it? What does it say? Dual watch chronograph rally car. It says there rally somewhere. Ooh. Take a sip. Ooh. Look at that bezel. That bezel feels so nicely touched. Is that ceramic? Okay, that's a full ceramic. That seems like a full ceramic bezel with some really nice graining right there. Okay, I'm feeling this one. Okay, and it works, of course. Rally TCP tool. What does TCP mean? TCP. I mean, like it's not Tool Watch Go, but okay. This I think is a BK 64. Caliber, yeah, right there, VK64 caliber, and nice and really good engraving right there. Let's see. That's up. Ooh, okay, that's satisfying. It sounded like I'm disgusted, but that's actually satisfying. Let's see. Ooh, that's a lady racer right there. It looks like a really lady racer engraved on there. There's some checkered flag. What is that? Caliber VK64, 30 meters. Water resistant, 38 millimeter case diameter, K1 crystal. Okay, well, maybe that's not sapphire. But look at that. Really nice texture. Oh, and also look at that. There's some beveling happening on the dial right here. And really cool vintage printing. Look at those indexes. Very, very nice. I love that. Okay, let's put it on the wrist. Let's see. Oh, I remember this strap. This textured strap feels familiar. feels like the one that they sent me last time. Yeah, this is pretty light, pretty nice. Is this titanium? I think it's titanium, man. I'm not sure. I don't know. Very vintage inspired, guys. Tool Watch Co. is releasing this watch. I've never seen this from their catalog, so I think this is a new watch from them. Tool Watch Co. And it's got that really nice vintage style. It got that floating hands setup there, floating hands because they're painted black, so it appears that the hands are floating over the dial. Look at that orange accent, really, really nice. And it continues their eccentric seconds hand theme with those very nice shapes. I remember the Arctic that they had those triangular shapes on the second hand, really, really nice. And here it's checkered. That's really fun, really fun. So comment down below, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this one. I guess I'm going to make a review because I'm like, it looks fun. It looks fun to review. I don't know if they want me to review it, but let's do it, right? So comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And I think this is a fun watch to have. I don't know how much this will cost. I don't know if this is titanium. It feels like titanium. It feels really, really light. So comment down below. If you have some interesting comments, you'll never know. Maybe it'll get into the video review. I usually take in like 4 or 3 comments. And this time around, Tool Watch Co. gets that treatment.